జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. While Hanuma traveling in the sky, it is looking like as if Hanuma is swallowing all the galaxies. And while Hanuma traveling through the clouds, pravisan abhrajalani nishpatamscha punah punaha. He is appearing at once and he is not appearing sometimes. The clouds covering Hanuma. Like that, because Hanuma is wearing a white cloth, Chandrama iva lakshyate. He is looking like moon. And because there are so many sounds in the sky, while Hanuma is traveling in that sky, Tarkshyayamano gagane babhase. He is also looking like Garutman flying in the sky. Hanuma, he is returning to northern banks of ocean. Now he is traveling in the sky. The Hanuma who has such a great amount of effulgence. He killed so many Rakshasas in Lanka. He declared his name in Lanka. He announced his name in Lanka. And he messed up the entire Lanka. He did namaskaram to Sita Devi. Such great Hanuma now almost traveled his halfway to reach northern banks of ocean. Hanuma, when he was traveling to Lanka, Parvatendram Sunabhancha Samupasprusya Viryavan. Mainaka mountain came up from the ocean and gave reception to Hanuma. Now Hanuma remembered that he is now touching that Mainaka very smoothly and made Mainaka happy, and Hanuma now traveling, Hanuma now flying back to northern banks of ocean. When he traveled some more distance, now he is getting to see Mahendra Parvatam. Hanuma feeling exceedingly happiness, he is doing Simhanadam, Langulancha api akampayat. With so much of happiness, he is shaking his tail. And he is feeling so happy because now he is getting to see all of the Vanaras after long time. Now the Vanaras who are there in northern bank, they got to hear Hanuma's Simhanadam, and they are all feeling so happy and they are all jumping here and there. Until then, all the Vanaras were so much distressed and in depression. Now, at a time, they are all feeling so happy. Jambavan called on all the Vanaras. Now he is saying to Vanaras, saying that Sarvadha Krutakaryosau Hanuman Natra Samsayaha. Hanuma definitely successfully completed all the work. That is how he is now coming back. There is no doubt. Otherwise, nahi asya akrutakaryasya. If he did not accomplish his mission, nanadayevam vidho bhavet. His sounds would not be sounding such a great way. And the sound of the wind which is coming out of Hanuma's thighs would not be sounding such a great way. Definitely Hanuma accomplished. Like that Jambavan said, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे सीतारामा हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.